Alright, so what's up? I'm here back with another brand new video. Today's video is just going to be a really quick one. But before this video starts, I have a big announcement to make. You guys know on 17th of April, I'm going to be revealing the winner for my giveaway for the £10 gift card. And if you guys have not yet joined the giveaway, it's in my last video. I'll leave the video, like the video at the end of the video for the end screen as well. So it's going to be in the end screen. So yeah, make sure you join the giveaway. It's a free £10 gift card, and all you have to do is just do some steps there, and it's gonna work for you guys. So basically, it's just a little short video, just to let you know, guys, that I have another supporter creator code. So make sure in the item shop use code YA, which stands for my epic name, Yusuf Almanzay. Use code YA, and make sure, guys, you wanna use this code YA in the item shop. It'll really mean a lot. I'll be doing a lot of giveaway. Sorry of the background noise, guys. It's like a lot of noise right there because it's quarantine. It's like noises. There's music down, bruv. But it's noises. We just finished eating some sweets and obviously sugar. We all get excited, yeah. But yeah, use my code YA in the item shop, please, guys. It'll mean a lot. I have made not quite money, but if you guys do want a tutorial of how you guys can get a supporter creator code, let's smash 10 likes in this video. Then I'll show you guys how you guys can get enabled for the support a creator program. And how I got it because I got 1,000 followers on my Instagram. Thank you so much. And plus on my Twitch, I had every day, I kept on streaming. You just have to grind to get a supporter creator code. You don't even need 1,000 subscribers, because you're supposed to need 1,000 subscribers or followers or any of your social medias, and you don't even need to do that. You just have to grind, and that's what I done to get my first code. But then because I got 1,000, I want to change my supporter creator code to YA. So use code YA in the item shop, guys. And yeah, that's pretty much it, really. And yeah. Thank you all so much for your love and support. It's nearly Ramadan, and I'm going to be doing a a Ramadan topic. I'll be doing a Ramadan topic for you all today. So not today, in Ramadan. So I have a lot of stories to come up, and yeah. Thank you all so much for watching this video. Hope you all have enjoyed. And this was not even an enjoyable video. So like this video if you want, but let's smash 10 likes. If you guys do want to see a tutorial of how to enable for the supporter creator program, so it's really easy. Sorry for the noise, that's my autistic brother, and he's just ate too much chocolate. So yeah, but thank you all so much for watching this video. Hope you guys have enjoyed. Yep, you heard that. He's so weird, but he's autistic, so you gotta allow it. So yeah. Anyways, guys, yeah, this is what you guys have to do to enable for the supporter creator program. Yeah, man, this is the code. Use code YA in the item shop. If you guys do send me a screenshot on my Instagram, which is @I'mJustYusuf, I'll leave in the link down below. Basically, yeah, make sure you guys use that. Send me a screenshot via direct message, and then I promise you I'll shout you out in the next video. Okay, anyway, guys, thank you all so much. He's just, currently that autistic idiot. He's currently, yep, yeah, you heard the noise. But thank you all so much for watching the video. I hope you guys have enjoyed. If you guys did, take care, and I'll see you all soon. Bye! Bye, guys!